Well, Times Now has exposed how state functionaries colluded to help the rapist son of DGP B.B. Mohanty escape. And now the chorus is growing for his immediate arrest. But will public pressure finally get the authorities to act?
He's the face of outrage in India. Bitti Mohanty, son of a DGP, convicted rapist and a criminal on the run from the law for 7 years now. As Times Now investigates the Bitti Mohanty mystery, what unravels is a tale of collusion and subversion of the system.
फिर हम क्या होम सेक्रेटरी से पूछने गए थे कि भी ये छुट्टी पे है या मतलब गैर हाजिर है या मेडिकल पे है, हमें इस बारे में। तो वहाँ के सचिवालय में बैठे थे, जब वहाँ के डीजी उनके पास ही बैठे थे, होम सेक्रेटरी के पास, जब ये बात हुई थी। नहीं, डीजी साहब उनके सामने बैठे थे, वो वहाँ के जो पटनायक। नहीं, उन्होंने उस टाइम कहा कि भाई आपको दूसरे स्टेट में आकर फिर आपने इस तरीके से तलाशी ले ली, आपके डीजी हमारे ये बैचमेट है, उनका भी ख्याल नहीं रखा आपने, इस तरह की बातें करी थी। उसी दिन मेरे ऑर्डर यहाँ हो गए थे।
While those who tried to track Bitti Mohanty claim were shunted, yet others reveal how rapist Bitti's DGP father approached them for help.
He said that, that my son is involved in this kind of a thing and I want your help. And I told him that, the only help we are going to do is that we are going to put up a challan in the shortest possible time and get him convicted in the shortest possible time.
Times Now's investigation opening a can of worms, giving a thrust to the chorus to arrest Bitti Mohanty. The Catch Rapist Bitti Now campaign finding tremendous support on social networking sites. Should the government open an investigation into whether officials helped rapist Bitti escape? And will the National Media Chorus for Justice now force the return of Bitti Mohanty? Bureau Report, Times Now.